What's up guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be installing our Evo Tech phone mount that is incorporated with quad lock on the beautiful Panigale. Now guys, I did already record this video. Unfortunately, my rookie self recorded in slow-mo. Just going to show you guys the process of putting the phone mount together and then basically the process of just putting it on. So just sit back, relax, and just check out this very short video on the quad lock install for the Panigale. Thanks again for checking out the video, guys. Subscribe for more of this kind of content. Like if you liked the video. Again, I accidentally recorded in slow motion the whole time. Rookie mistake, of course. I'm gonna link it down in the description below of where I got it. It was back ordered when purchased, so you may need to wait 3 weeks or so for it to come in. But as always, come ride with me and never stop dreaming.